Hi guys, how you doing? Premier Inn. I'm doing a stopover on the way. Wait for it. New Orleans, a place I've always wanted to go. I thought it was best because it was seemed a bit dodgy, the Air Malta delays and weather, and I thought I'll come and spend a night in London near the airport, and I'm going to show you in a minute. Premier Inn. It's 103 euros for a night. I thought it was including breakfast, but I think the website was a bit dodgy. Hey, I didn't put the wind blocker on, it's a bit windy. Look, we're in lovely London. This is a nice area, just up there. Stop for some fish and chips. You probably, if you're following me on Facebook. If not, why not? Anyway, we're on this busy road. I took a taxi from, I thought it was going to be, because it said on the Air Malta information thing that up until June the 20th, Air Malta was flying in to Terminal 2 instead of 4, and then after that they're coming back to Terminal 4. So I thought I'll book this. This is quite near to Terminal 2 and 3, and it was only I think it was a 7 sterling taxi ride away, but they came in Terminal 4 instead, so it cost me about 20 from Terminal 4 to here. Anyway, I'm going to show you this place. It's Premier Inn. I booked when I got here, I thought it was going to be breakfast, and it's not. You have to book that extra. Well, I didn't really mind. But then when I had the evening meal here, I saw there was an offer, $26.99 for a 2-course meal and a breakfast included. And you'll see that if you looked at me on Facebook, because I didn't have a chance to. Everybody was sitting down in there, so I didn't take any video. But there's a photograph on Facebook. Here it is, look, the Premier Inn. It's I've got a Costa coffee as well. There were many people waiting here because it seems to be a stopover hotel as well. It's very big. 103 I think it cost me for the night. Nice room. I'm going to show you the room, and it's got a nice restaurant in there. It's got like a snack bar and things like that. You can come and park the car here as well. Let's have a walk through. There's the breakfast I had. It's a nice breakfast. Steve, stop saying nice. It's a lovely breakfast. All you can eat breakfast, and it's got black pudding. This area is really nice area. It's quiet. A bit further up is the fish and chip shop. I forgot the area where it was. Anyway, let's walk in.
Oh, thank you so much.
So you can do an automatic check-in as well. It seems like the modern hotel's doing all that now. It's just like with the machine. But there's the kiosk there as well. You can do automatic check-in. Oh look, we're on television. Loads of seating areas. Here's the dining room here. And the breakfast just finished, I think. It's a really cozy place. You can sit outside. Many rooms, look. How many? I'm on the first floor. So there's loads of sitting areas here. There's a little snack bar. Costa coffee. Car parking, I forget how much it costs. It was a gaming area as well. I didn't know that because I came in, was tired yesterday. Just evening meal and sleep. There's workstations. Let's have a look out here. I think this is the car park area here. I like that automatic check-in. You don't have to see anybody. You can just oh look, sitting outside as well. So this looked like touch base. There's meeting rooms as well. I saw that on there. So you can go. You can just book the breakfast or a continental. What a lovely area though. It's right out in the country. You can hear the airplanes coming in. Actually, I was going to walk down there, but we're unlucky because sometimes you see the airplanes coming in. You can hear them though, eh? Oh, is that one coming in here? There, here's one. Here's one. Let's wait. Oh, British Airways. Very close to those houses. Beautiful. So this is the back entrance. Oh, they've got live sports televisions as well, I noticed that. So if there's any football on or sports, they've got a big screen in there as well. Let's go to the room and I'll show you around the room. In the afternoon, I've got the flight 9 hours. Anyway, let's go up this beautiful big area, the reception. Coffee machines and snacks machines, and there's the Costa. Sitting areas. I think there's two here in Heathrow. There's one by Terminal 2 and 3, and there's one internal one at Terminal 4. But the seating area is really nice here. This you can do, like there's a shuttle bus to the airport. It costs $6.80 single person. Anyway, let's go up. You've got to use the card to go up. Many rooms over. And that's the meal. The meal was really nice. Last night I took it 2 courses, soup, and I had a mixed grill.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
Say hello to. Morning, guys. I didn't shave yet anyway. I'm sure you don't want to see that. You're waiting for the room of the Premier Inn near Terminal 2 and 3. I'll put the details below. I have to remember because it's like a maze here. I think this is the way I went. Turn left here. Big corridors, eh? You need the card to get in, to get on the lift. Amy was lucky to see that the planes, you can't hear them here at all because it's really soundproofed. I'll show you in a minute. It's got like a double window with a base, so you can't hear anything at all. Really lovely and quiet hotel. So to a left here, I think. There's loads of rooms up different areas. Oh, that's a good. Down this way, I think. It's like the Royal National. Remember that one I did the video in centre London? I'm on 1076 76. This one here. Come on, let's go and have a look. Hey, I want to take this opportunity to thank all my Patreons from all 3 channels. All the link is below if you want to help the channel. Here it is, guys. I don't think nothing special. Put the lights on. You have to get in with the card. You have to use the card on the lift. I spent one night. I'm ready to go now off to Terminal 4. This fooled me. This window can't be opened. I mean, you think they would do something with the outside there. It can be like a family room. This is a bit creased because I slept last night in it. And there's lights, bedside lamps, television, and it's the British channel, so it came on early. I didn't watch much television.
Good night, Major.
Oh, doctors or something. Eh? I've got a fan because I'm not sure if the air conditioning is working, because I couldn't, but the fan is alright. The air conditioning looks like it's on. Bathroom, bath and combined shower. Obviously we've got the soaps as well, shaving, and obviously the normal things there. The bathroom, normal things in the bathroom, shower with the bath. I just had a glass of water. These are all modern now, these wardrobes, eh? With the safe, coffee making facilities, hair dryer. Actually the The restaurant, this was that offer I had. 2-course meal with the breakfast and a drink. 26. This could be made into another bed because I saw the other rooms. Very comfortable bed, very high. Telephone. What more is there to say? Nice price. 103, I think it cost me, something like that. And you're about 15 minutes. There's a shuttle. I'm going to book that, I think, to go to Terminal 5. It's going to cost $6.80, something like that. We'll see you there, guys. I might watch a bit of television. I forgot to say, you got this as well. You got extra pillows. They're all sealed, so anyway, it was a nice night, comfortable night. Let's go. I'm going to go and catch the shuttle now. 6.80 or something like that it is. Probably it goes around all the terminals. Premier Inn near Heathrow. I'm waiting here for the shuttle bus. Quite a few planes come in this way. About one every 2 or 3 minutes, I think it is. This is a shuttle bus going to Terminal 5, British Airways. Looking forward to it, but not looking forward to the 9 hours flight. But British Airways, quite good, eh? There's a lot of entertainment and food and things like that. The time will pass, but I'm looking forward to the place. I had childhood memories of a very good friend of mine that used to play jazz, and he was from New Orleans. Oh, another one coming in, I think. That's a big one, eh? Must be the terminal for British Airways. I think 2 is very close, 2 and 3. Anyway, let's wait for the shuttle and we're off to Terminal 5.